Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Ford Mondeo. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on like so. So Bluetooth's on, then we're watching out at the bottom. Over to the system, you've got phone here along the bottom. We click on phone, click pair
Search
phone.
for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Begin the pairing process from your device and a pin option will appear. Ford Mondeo can search for available Bluetooth devices to pair a Bluetooth device. So let me just bring that back up and then click continue. So it's looking for phones in the car to pair.
Select one of the devices found by sync.
So it's found my phone there, so we'll click there.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
That's 084048, so yes, click pair, and over here click yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Automatic contact, well, I don't want to do that, so we'll just finish that, but you would. Sync does not have access to text messaging from my phone. Well, again, I won't be using the car again. So that's it. Anyway, it's connected, and there you go, connected at the top.